So in today's video, I'm sharing with you step by step how I achieve these braids. This is my first time doing this. I learned it on YouTube. I've never done this before on anyone, and so I hope you correct me with any mistakes that might be in it. So because my hair is very short, I'm starting with parting it into little sections. To ensure my pattern is right, I'm using a mirror to watch. That's from the front, and then to the back there is another mirror, big taller one standing behind. That's what I'm using to watch the back of my hair. So as I part it, I use my little clips to hold to separate the hair away from it so that it will be easy for me to part. So these little sections I'm parting, I'm going to use styling gel first to like smooth it, and then use a little rubber band to hold it. This will help me when I'm braiding. The sections should be easier for me to do because I'm not good with like handling my hair parting as I braid. So this is the easiest way for me to go with it. So I'm going to do this throughout my hair. I'm going to do about 2 of it, and then to show you how I do it, and then I'll do the rest of it and then continue with the braiding. So when I'm going to use the rubber band on it, I make sure I hold it as strong as possible as I can, but not too strong, because I remember someone did a braid for me before which almost like pulled my hair and it was hurting. So make sure you hold it as comfortable as it is for you, that you can even sleep with easily. And I think if you're braiding this hair with kind of like a longer hair, it will be very good, because my hair is quite a bit short, and then the problem is it's very thick. So when I'm braiding, you see it almost even coming out of the braid, but then I try hard to hold it so tight so that it doesn't come out. This was a hair that I bought and stretched it myself. So this is what I'm going, I part it little. This is what I'm going to use. You know, I twist it around. I hold one side of it, turn it around about 2 times. Then I hold it on the loop, and then use like in the center of it onto my hair, and then twist it from the to the bottom, and then grab it from the other side. And at the same time, I'll hold my short hair attached to one of the strands of hair, as I don't want my hair to be standing on its own away. You have to hold it attached. As I said earlier, if you have a very longer hair, it will be very perfect for this, but mine is still short, so just trying to see how it will come out. I'll keep going the same way that I started with, slowly, and then like tighten it as I hold it. I don't want it to be very loose. Hold it to the scalp so that it will have a strong root. That's what I'm doing, braiding it in continuously until to the end of it. So as I continue to braid, I stretch it out to the end of the strands, else it will get like into a knob or a loop where you cannot untie it. It will become very difficult to do. So as you braid, you stretch it up to the bottom of it. So my hand was covering the other one. So this next I'm showing you what I do really. I use a styling gel into the hair, and then I brush it with my comb to make sure any this is loose, and then I go in with my hair that I'm going to use. I put it from the top of it, and then I wrap it as I showed you before. I use the first one downwards, and then I hold it and bring that out, and then use my hand to put the other one down again, and then I continue the same way that I started. You see that it will turn into your braid. Very simple and easy, as this is what I watched online. I did not learn from anyone. I just watched this online and I did it, so you can do it too. So the very end bit of the natural hair is a little bit sticking out. It's okay, so be fine. When I finish, I'm going to use a little bit of a tail comb to kind of like push it down into the braid, so you'll not even see it in the hair showing up really. So I continue braiding the same way up to the end of the hair. And what I do is, when I finish to the end of it, I use a little bit of scissors to cut to trim through the hair, to make it easier for me when I finish, so that it will not be a lot left. When I finish, I'll just have a little bit of it left. So Yeah, as I'm showing you the third time again, as I put the hair on, I pull it through like to the bottom and then the right side also down. I hold it down and then I bring the other one throughout into the middle, and then I continue the same way up to the end of the hair. So that's what I did to the whole of my hair until I finished this braid. It took me a few hours, to about 4-5 hours. It's quite a lot of work because I've never done this before. It was a little bit of hurting at the my thumbs and my fingers were a little bit hurting, but it's okay. When I finished, it went away. So yeah, it's good. It's quite a nice experience to do something that I've never done before. So this is the very last one. I'm showing you again how I did it. This one is quite a very big thicker hair, so what I did was I braided it first and then I put the hair onto it to braid, and then when I finished I realized it was even smoother than the rest of them. I don't know, maybe because I braided it or so. Looking at it, looked like I wasn't able to capture most of the braiding properly due to the position of my camera, how I was sitting. I did not even know that I was not really capturing it well. So I think next time I should do something similar, but then I will do it right, like that, position my camera properly to capture from the top of it so that you can actually see how I twist my hands around. Finally, as I finished braiding the hair, it's quite late, so I'm leaving the rest of it for the next day because you see the rest of the video is brighter than that. So I trimmed the braids, and then there is some standing, or you can't see it, but I can see it's standing a lot on it, and so I cut them all out throughout until I finish the hair. So looking at it all, it came out really well. I am just even surprised at myself that I was able to do this. I was a bit holding back to try this on my hair, but then I said, well, give it a go, when I started first, I tried a few methods to put the braid onto my hair. They were just falling out, so I watched a video on how to use it, and then use the twist around method, and it was so perfect. So as I finish now, I'm going to put that is a very boiling water I just bought for my kettle, so I'm boiling the braids in it. Well, they have been doing it, I don't know really the purpose of it, but I think it keeps the braids longer, like on your head. It will not damage belly. I think that's the reason. So I'm boiling it, and then after that I'm going to just dress it up with a little bit of I'm using head wrap mousse that I have. I'm going to use it throughout the hair when I finish drying it. So when you try this at home and use boiling water, be careful because you can burn yourself. So this mousse helps the hair smoother. It makes it nice and smooth. Just run your hands through very nicely, and then I just like the smell in it. It's so nice, and it makes everything feel very, very fresh. So I'm using my usual hair setting spray into the hair. This also gives the hair very strong, and then make it also nice. Just setting the hair really. So after this, I'm going to go in with a little bit of clips to just make the hair. I bought this online from eBay. I think £1-2 if I'm right. It was very, very cheap for the quantity in it. Is really nice. It makes your hair look a little bit kind of different. It puts some kind of let's say style or something like that into it, and make it look cute really. I think I have a different color like gold, but I decided to use this silver one because I'm going to match it with the earring I'm wearing is kind of a little bit silvery, and I did not want to mix the colors, be standing on it or no. So just match this with the earrings, and then it's perfect. So next I'm going to lay my little edges my baby hairs that I don't have any. So I'm going to use this little gel, or is it wax, or so look kind of like wax. The name is Mess Head. I bought it about £2-3 on eBay. That's what I'm using for my edges now with my little brush that I have. My hair is quite a very difficult one to lay, so now that I'm almost done, not a bad one. I tried doing the edges. I tried my best. Sometimes you lay it and then it gets up again. So we are getting there, and now here is the very end of it. After everything, I went to do my makeup. What do you think about my makeup? Leave a comment down below about it and let me know what you think, because I'm doing so well. I'm trying my best. So this is the end result of my braids from the start to finish, and that's what I got out of it. My first time trying braids on my hair, and I think it looked cute. I'm going to show it to my mom back at home. Really, she'll say, "Oh, you've done well." Also, don't forget to comment any mistakes, anything that you've seen wrong in it. Just let me know and I'll correct in my next one. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye.